गुड मॉर्निंग फोक्स। आज है 11th ऑफ अप्रैल 2025। 90 days knockout, breakfast remains the same, book reading कर ली थी। I'll tell you what's next after luck and risk। So पिछले चैप्टर में हमने luck and risk के बारे में पढ़ा था और अगला चैप्टर है नेवर इनफ। जैसा आपको सुनने में पता ही चल रहा होगा कि हम लोग की जो भूख है पैसे कमाने की, आगे बढ़ने की, वो कभी भी ख़त्म नहीं होती है। सो दैट इज़ व्हाट दिस चैप्टर इज़ ऑल अबाउट। सो दिस chapter starts with a story where there is a conversation happening between two people, and one of them tells to Helen, who is the writer, that this one specific hedge fund manager made more money in a single day that Heller made in the complete history of launching her widely famous novel Catch 22. So Heller responds to that statement कि हेज फंड मैनेजर ने भले ही एक दिन में इतना पैसा कमाया हो जितना मेरी नॉवेल ने पूरी हिस्ट्री में कमाया, आज तक के टाइम में कमाया, बट उसके पास एक चीज़ नहीं है, दैट ही डज नॉट नो व्हाट इज़ इनफ। सो दैट couldn't have been any more accurate. So we need to know कि हमारे लिए क्या चीज़ इनफ होती है, किस जगह पर हमको स्टॉप लेना चाहिए। उसी बुक में एक दूसरा एग्जाम्पल उसके बाद स्टार्ट होता है कि रजत गुप्ता के नाम से, वेयर इट इज़ बीइंग सेड दैट ही वाज फ्रॉम कोलकाता एंड orphaned as a teenage. Later, after putting in a lot of hard work, lot of efforts, in his mid 40s, he was the CEO of McKinsey, and later in 2007 he retired. He took over the role at the United Nations and World Economic Forum. So that's a lot of big shots that he worked with. Later he also partnered with Bill Gates for philanthropic work, and in 2008, by the start of 2008, he was already worth $100 million. That's a lot of money coming from slum and orphan background. No one to bring him up to that stage, but he did all the hard work. He went there, he reached there, and it was $600 an hour. That is what his value was. And later he was sitting on the board member seat of Goldman Sachs, which is also again a very big company, but by the end of 2008 it met with a financial crisis, after which Warren Buffett decided to give $5 billion to that company in order to survive. However, Rajat did not know what is enough. As soon as that board meeting ended, where Warren Buffett mentioned that he's going to fund $5 billion, Rajat called one of his hedge fund manager, which name was Raja Ratnam, and he asked him to buy many stocks for Goldman Sachs, and within no time they were able to build $17 million out of that tip that was leaked by Rajat. And you know what happened next? They were both in prison. So ideally, I would say one should not risk everything in pursuit of getting more and more, because that is invaluable. अगर आपको पता है कि what is enough for you, you would be able to value your reputation, your happiness, your friends, your family, and like that is what is important in life. You should not be risking everything in search of more money, in need of more money, because there is no reason to risk what you have. There is no reason to risk everything in life that you have for something that you don't have, don't need, and don't want, was said by Warren Buffett. So again, like this, all of this happens because of social comparison. Like एक दूसरे से कंपेयर करना. आप ऑफिस जा रहे हो, रोड पे जा रहे हो, अपने दोस्तों से मिल रहे हो, बट व्हेन यू स्टार्ट कंपेयरिंग with your friends, that is where the challenge begins. So बुक में एक और एग्जांपल दिया है कि एक रुकी बेसबॉल प्लेयर जो $500,000 पर ईयर कमाता है, वो देखता है उसी टीम के एक टॉप नॉच प्लेयर माइक ट्राउट को जो 36 मिलियन पर ईयर कमाता है, और माइक आगे देखता है अपने हेज फंड मैनेजर को, वो जो $340 मिलियन पर ईयर कमाता है, और वो हेज फंड मैनेजर अपने मैनेजर या टॉप 5 हेज फंड मैनेजर्स को लुकअप करता है जो $770 मिलियन कमाते हैं. And those 5 hedge fund managers look up to Warren Buffett, who is like $3.5 billion. Warren Buffett looks up to Jeff Bezos, which is like $24 million. And there is no ceiling to it. आप कैच ही नहीं कर सकते कि आपके ऊपर कितने लोग हैं और आप कहाँ तक पहुँच सकते हो. So there's like no limit to it. Just focus on your work. Be professional, be in your ethics, ethical होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड वो कहते हैं ना कि दी ओनली गेम टू विन इन वेगस. जब वेगस जाते हो तो अगर आपको एक गेम जानना है जिसमें आप लॉटरी लेके जीत सकते हो, दैट गेम इज़ एग्जिट दैट प्लेस एज सुन एज यू एंटर इट. सो आप ऐसी जगह पे मत जाइए जहाँ पे आपको बेटिंग करनी पड़े, रिग्रेट करना पड़े, पैसा लूज़ करना पड़े. ऑब्वियसली वी आर इंटेंडेड टू टेक रिस्क इन लाइफ, दैट इज़ हाउ वी आर ब्रेन्ड. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. आपको थोड़ा सा लॉजिकली चलना है. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आप किस चीज़ को वैल्यू करते हो, कि आप उसको खोने के लिए तैयार हो किसी चीज़ को पाने के लिए. सो दैट्स इट फॉर नाउ. आई जस्ट फिनिश माई ब्रेकफास्ट and then we will head straight to the gym. Let's go. Back at the gym, we'll start with some warm up and then head to the workout. supinated grip. Let's get this one. It comes out. Same for 4 sets, increasing reps. 4 sets, decreasing reps, increasing weight. That was standing straight bar pronated grip cable rows, 4 sets, decreasing reps, increasing weight. Double arm supinated grip rows. Sets, decreasing reps. We'll keep the same weight because 15 kg is already heavy, so same 15 kg for 4 reps for 4 sets. Renegade rows, last set. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it for the day. Let's do some cool down. One butterfly sit-ups. Legs only, bulldog. 2, 3, 4. Child pose. jumping stretch. That's it. Let's go. Let's check the condition. That's it for now. Definitely the condition is improving, quality of muscle, because we are burning a lot of fat. Whew, good evening, back from the gym. So वापस आया, लंच किया और थोड़ा सा नैप लिया, क्योंकि आज दिन में 10 किलोमीटर साइकिलिंग भी हो गई थी, वर्कआउट भी हो गया था. सो देयर इज़ नो रनिंग इन द प्लान टुडे, बट देयर इज़ वेरी बिग थिंग टुडे that I'm going to be signing up with you guys. So that is Goa Ultra 60 kilometers race. So what is this? This is called as the Hell Race, जो कि अगर आप ध्यान दोगे तो ये स्टार्ट होगी वास्को ड गामा के आसपास से and will end at somewhere around Agonda पे. So this is what we are signing up for today, because अभी 90 days के लिए तो I'm not going to go for any race. So this will be the biggest event for my life and it's going to be crazy. I have no idea why I am signing up for this, but I have to do this. This is one of the craziest thing I will be doing. So let's get it done. Price for Goa Ultra 60 kilometers. See you at Goa Ultra, the Hell Race. Let's go. It's how the page looks like. They are also like have 3 categories: 30, 60 and 120. I definitely don't want to go to 120 right now, because the last race that I've done is like 42 kilometers, Tata Mumbai Marathon, and this would be the next big thing in the running journey, and I'm really excited. So the cutoff time is like, first cutoff for 40 kilometers will be in 6.5 hours and the final cutoff will be 10 hours. So the maximum time that I will get to complete the race is 10 hours. So probably I have to practice somewhere around 10 hours continuous running, so that I can like be more confident for the race day. So I still have a lot of time, almost like around 2.5 months. So that be it. Abhi ke liye this is the next big thing that will be motivating me more to run and push myself further, or let's see how it goes, and fingers crossed we can do it. So abhi ke liye I'm sitting for work, meditation is done, lunch is done. I'll just have the next meal, and yeah, that's about it. कोडिंग करेंगे आज, लीड कोड का आज 4th डे है. So we'll be coding on lead code, and that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Keep hustling and keep hustling harder. Let's go.